Hello, my name is Jake Rhodes. I'm from Covert Buick GMC of Austin, and today I'm going to show y'all this 3X Hummer EV truck. This is the Riptide metallic color. It's a special edition color, and we're going to be discussing crab walk. Crab walk is a feature that is really convenient for tricky situations where you're not able to go forward or back, you're climbing up rocks or something to that effect, and you can do the rear steering control where you're able to turn the back wheel in addition to the front wheel. So they all move in tandem and you can get out of those difficult situations. Additionally, crab walk is something you can use in the city. It's something that is comfortable to do once you get the hang of it. It does take a little learning, so today we're gonna go over those options. Okay, so this knob here in the center is how you would select your different drive modes in the Hummer. You can raise and lower the vehicle from here, but also it's your button for crab walk. It's this one on the left, which shows all the wheels turning in one direction. So essentially you'll just push this button here and then it'll go through this animation here. Yeah, you know crab walk is on when that orange icon there on the dash that looks like a little crab is displayed. Yeah, once you turn on crab walk, you're gonna see the video cameras that are underneath the vehicle, so you can cycle between the front and rear view, but also you can toggle so that you have both views at once. This is helpful if you're driving over rocks or an all-terrain situation and you want to make sure that you're clearing, but also you can raise and lower the vehicle accordingly so that you can make sure that you can clear all that terrain. Okay, so once you're in crab walk mode and you have the icon here showing you that you are in rear wheel steering, essentially as you're driving forward, you're going to turn the steering wheel 180 degrees, which will keep the vehicle straight directly forward. However, you're going to start shifting left to right like so. And then when it's time to actually make a more dramatic turn, you would just continue turning the wheel in whichever direction you're looking to achieve. You're more than welcome to come down to the dealership in North Austin and ask for me, and I can show you these features in person.